Hey guys, Stephanie here. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, guys, I'm going to show you all how I got this cute hairstyle using clip-ins. A lot of you guys were actually raving about this after I recently posted this picture on my Instagram. So with that being said, if you want to see how I achieve this hairstyle, then keep on watching. Alright y'all, so first things first, we're going to prepare our clip-ins, and the hair I'll be working with today is by CurlsCurls. I picked up their hair in the kinky curly texture, and the curl pattern on this hair, it resembles 3C/4A hair, and I also got this in the length 18 inches. Along with the hair, it also came with a pamphlet that shows how to prepare the hair, how to install and maintain the hair, and it also came with an extra pair of clips. So when you first receive the hair, one thing that you always want to do is wash the hair, guys. I know some people, they just take the hair straight out the packet and install it, but I would recommend that you wash the hair first. You could just co-wash it like I'm doing. This is gonna help to loosen up the curls and give it more of a natural look. And one thing that I must mention, guys, the hair does kind of shed a little bit. As you guys can see, when I was running the comb through the hair, I did experience a little bit of shedding, but I'm assuming because the curls are really tight and intact, that could be one reason why I experienced that much shedding on the first wash. But I'm sure once the curls loosen, the shedding should be at a minimal amount. And once I'm done co-washing the hair, I'm just going to follow up with my Cantu leave-in. And this is going to be the only product that I apply, guys, because I don't want to weigh down the curls. And that's pretty much all I do to prepare the hair, guys. So we're just going to lay the pieces out on a towel and let them dry overnight. And one thing I must mention, guys, they gave me a lot of hair. This comes in 10 pieces. So you honestly have more than enough hair to achieve multiple hairstyles. And most importantly, you have enough hair to get as much volume as you desire. Alright y'all, so that was that. Now moving on to my hair, I'm first going to start off by parting my leave out into a U shape. And then after that, we're going to braid the rest of the hair that's in the back. Now, I know on camera, it may seem like my hair is a bit dirty, but actually what you guys are seeing is a slight buildup of gel and other products that I had in my hair from my last hairstyle. So disregard that. And once I'm done creating my U shape, I'm also going to leave a little bit of my edges out so I could have some room to do my baby hairs. This is all going to come together and give it more of a natural look once I'm done applying my clip-ins. So like I said before, I'm just going to braid the back of my hair and apply a little bit of my Cantu leave-in just to detangle my hair a little bit. And that is pretty much it. I just sectioned the back of the hair into 4 quadrants, and honestly, the braids were not neat at all. They were a little bit messy, but hey, no one's gonna see it, so it doesn't have to be all neat, you know, just make sure that the hair in the back is tucked away pretty much. So now that the back of the hair is settled, I'm just going to prepare my leave out. And although I do have a little bit of product in my hair, I'm just going to take a little bit of my Extreme Wetline Gel just to define my curls a little bit more. So just like I would do with a wash and go, I'm going to use my Demon brush to brush through the hair and also do the prayer hands method just to bring that curl definition out. Now, when it comes to my hair, guys, although the length is decent, my shrinkage is ridiculous, okay? So I'm making sure to stretch the hair out overnight so that in the morning when I apply my clip-ins, it will be much easier for me to blend my natural hair with the clip-ins. And I would also recommend, if you have the time to do this, that you take this extra step to do so, especially if you have shorter hair or if you experience a lot of shrinkage like me. Trust me, guys, it's gonna make your life a hell of a lot easier to blend in your hair with the clip-ins. All right, so it is the next morning. We're not looking dusty anymore. I put my face on, we're looking cute. And I'm just gonna take my hair out, guys. Now, at this point, my hair was completely dry and stretched out, which is exactly what I wanted. And now it's time for me to apply my clip-ins. So when I'm installing my clip-ins, I'm actually gonna start from the top of my head and work my way down. I got this technique from another YouTuber. I'm sure you guys have heard of Miss Naturally Mary. She's another natural hair guru, and I love her channel so much. Her videos are amazing. But anyway, I picked up this technique from her, and this is perfect. A, if you wish to get volume, especially on the top of your head, and B, if you ever run out of clip-ins, it won't even matter, because since you're working your way from the top to the bottom, if you run out of clip-ins in the bottom, it won't show. So that is a very, very smart technique and a great way to apply your clip-ins. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much all I did when it came to the install. So I'm just gonna sit back and let you guys watch how I apply the rest of the clip-ins. Alright, so now that I'm done applying my clip-ins, this is what the hair is looking like. And of course, we're not going to leave it like this. We're going to blend the two different textures. And starting off, I'm just going to take a little bit of my spray bottle to spray it with water, just to dampen the hair a bit. And I'm going to go in with a little bit of gel on the parts where I want to blend with the clip-ins. And the way that I like to do it, guys, I simply just take a piece of my natural hair along with a piece of the clip-in, and I simply just press them in together. And I also like to take my Denman brush and brush both of the textures as well to better blend in with the clip-ins. And that is pretty much it, guys. That's all I do to blend the hair. It's super easy to achieve. And once I got both of the textures blended how I wanted, now I'm just going to pick and pick and pick the hair. I was looking to get a lot of volume, so I just picked the hell out of my hair. And once I'm done, I'm gonna follow up with my Garnier glossing spray. I'm gonna leave the link to this down below. And that was pretty much it, guys. This is what the hair is looking like. Super natural, super easy to achieve. And this is what the hair looks like in daylight. This is the next day. It looks super natural. I actually prefer when the hair is tucked behind my ear. It makes it look much more natural. So that was pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Give me a big thumbs up. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Mwah.